friends, thanks for coming by to watch our channel today. Today I'm going to paint for you. I think I'm going to paint for you. Who the hell knows? Anyway, I'm going to do a bloom today. I've got all my stuff set up, so I'm going to bring you down to the canvas. We're going to have some fun, see what kind of chaos we can come up with here on this thing. So, start with our pillow. We are using Glidden Essentials today. I'm back on camera. I was going to say something, and I don't know what it is now. So this turned out it's pretty. The colors really worked. It produced a lot of really good cells. The colors spread nicely. It spun out well. So we have a finished painting here. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for coming by to watch. As always, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and if you really like it, share it. Bye!